Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a customer appreciation letter. This letter is a formal message sent by a business to thank a customer for their continued support and loyalty. This is the opening of a formal customer appreciation letter. It includes your company's name, address, and contact details at the top, followed by the date. The letter begins with a warm salutation addressed directly to you as a valued customer, setting a respectful and appreciative tone. After that, write, "We sincerely thank you for being a loyal part of our journey. Your continued trust in our products and services inspires us to deliver the very best every day. Your support has played a key role in our success, and we are truly grateful for the opportunity to serve you. As a token of our appreciation, we will be offering exclusive access to upcoming promotions and product updates. We look forward to growing together and serving you with the same dedication and care in the future. Warm regards, Customer Relations Team." This is our sample customer appreciation letter. You'll notice how it expresses genuine gratitude, highlights the customer's importance to the business, and maintains a warm and professional tone throughout. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing thoughtful letters.